So hi everyone, my name is Jean. So today I will show what I done in VR room, one of my project. So like here we can control the hand that in front of us. Like we use the key in keyboard Y can move the right hand and the T can move the left hand. And also if you click the Y and then click the G, you can take the object and also the ball, okay, and also the ball, if you click G, you can draw it and they housing also there. So okay, then release the ball. Yep. And also if we click the G, the V, we can like reset like the already V sorry, it's like this. So we can take a look around of us like this. And also this painting I choose this painting to change as the traditional Malaysia grade in this room design. And here get a working space and here got a mirror. So if we move down here, we it, it, so if you click Y, you can see that ray base will appear on the carpet. Like that. And the left hand needle also can got the function on that. So then we take a overview for this room design is from the outside is design. The design is like this, and the environment is about the mountain. And this got sofa and some different design that I organized the accessibility. So it's all for my room design, the environment. So what I learned from this project is I just want to say a bit about what I learned while working on the VR room project. So basically, the goal was to create a simple VR environment using Unity and the XR toolkits, XR interface toolkits. I followed the Unity Learn tutorial to get started, and then I add my own culture touch and to make it feel more personal and meaningful. One of my favorite part is to changing the painting in the room in the picture of traditional Malaysia grade. It feels nice to include something from our culture in the digital space. And then one of the technical side I learned about to set up the teleportation is because at first for me it sound like complicated, but once I figure out how to take the carpet and set the direction, it's become really fun for me. I also get how to working the what they call the prefect and organize my asset property and use the ray-based interaction to the carpet and track on the things in VR. So this project, I learned a lot of from this project. It's not just about the Unity, but also how the small details can really bring us space to life. So overall, I'm proud of what I done, and I excited to explore more in my future. So, hi, it's me again. So now I will introduce about my era content is about a party museum. So above that we can see is the 3D models, 3D view of the party museum. The overlook is like this. So this is a top view. It's a side view. So the golden picture is the image target. So now let's see how it works. So if I show the image target in my on my phone, so the 3D model will appear on my phone. But now I try to play the game, but it takes a few minutes to go inside the page. So this the target image. So this is how the AR work after import the portfolio, and this need to AR content about important thing is the portfolio and the 3D models and image target. So if doesn't have three element, the AR is doesn't is won't work. So and also is consists some of the coding also. So now I'm gonna to say a bit about my reflection about this on this project. Uh, through this AR project, I learned how the technical like Unity and portfolio can be used to bring in a meaningful way. But and also it's what interesting to see how a simple picture like the photo museum party that I just now showed can be turned into an interactive experiences with the 3D model. I also improved my skill in using Blender. And here I also need to thank my friend this Krisha. She helped me and teach me how to design the simple model and learn how to set out the base AR using the image target. Even though I face a lot of technical issue, especially when I import the portfolio, because there's a lot of one more than one way to import the portfolio. And when you import the portfolio, there are a lot of things we need to fix in maybe because of my computer problem. And like the APK file maybe is not building correctly. So I still managed to test and see the artwork in Unity. So I can download on my phone and show, no need to show in the laptop. So these experiences teach me not only the technical skill but also how AI can be powerful in our life.